Oh, I just made it back home. Guess what this say? What that say? It sure do. It ain't black, but it's 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 see that? It's This is what happens when you say you can do it. I can do it. Yeah, I can do it. Before I move forward, I need to get me a piece of metal and trace that out right there. Trace the hole out, trace them two little bit holes, trace that out. And tag it in there, you know. After I get that, I'm just gonna cut me a block out and put the other piece back in there. Tack it up. That's why I bought a welder. Yeah, I can do it. Whew. Okay. I'm the man behind the camera all the time. I am the man behind the camera. So I have a project I'm doing. So this is the ugly. This is door handles. Never seen this before, but it's rusted around the door handle. All the rest of them are good. See? Just around the door handle. It's crazy. But it's little car I'm putting together. Honda, you know I like Hondas. They're Honda. I like Honda. This is the sports car of the Honda, the SI. It's got the nice wheels. It's got 6-speed transmission. It's got the upgraded sound system, subwoofer. Top just like the rest of them. Now, this side here, I went on and started the repair on this side. So this is what it's looking like so far. We got almost where I needed to be. This right here is a quarter panel at the bottom. So I'm having to cut and fabricate that area also. Back to the passenger side. This side is good. No problem with the quarter. No problem. I might sand a little bit because I see a little rust trying to peep in right here. A little bit trying to creep in. So I'm probably going to sand that down and get it back solid. Uh-oh, I see a little spot right here trying to creep in. See that? So, me being me, I like this stuff. If I can't see it, it's okay. But if I can see it, I gotta fix it. So I'm gonna grind that out, fix that, and do that. And that's it. And then we're ready to ride. Ready to put it on the highway. Put some miles on it. Yeah. So that's the plan. I'll show it to you when I finish. Alright, she's still wet. Once I peel all that tape and stuff, we're gonna see what it's gonna look like. It looks kind of bright, but we'll see in a minute. We'll see. Alright, that's the finished product. Get over here and do this side next. And get that finished. Should be all complete. Ready to ride.